Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about wastewater treatment plant in factories. In short form we can say as WWTP. Now suppose this be the wastewater which is released from our houses, laundries, etc. After this is transferred into filtration tanks. These are called as bar screens. This will only remove the larger objects. After that, this is transferred into oil removing tank. In this, oil or grease is removed. After that, this is transferred into another tank which separates sludge. After the sludge is transferred into another tank. After that, this water is transferred into another tank. In this tank, chlorination will be processed. Chlorination tank. After that, the water is transferred into another tank. In this again the sludge is removed. Sludge means the organic compound. After that again this water is transferred into another tank which is known as aeration tank. In this they will keep the anaerobic oxidation. After that the water is again transferred into another tank. Again the chlorination is processed. If they won't do chlorination, we can't drink that water. After that the water is transferred into rivers. Now we will see about the sludge which is transferred into another tank. This sludge is converted into biogas which is methane. Chemical formula is CH4. After that some amount of sludge is left, that is converted into manure.